You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce the name of this Turkish politician and former leader of the Republican People's Party. In Turkish, in Turkey, it is pronounced as Turkish pronunciation Kemal, that's easy, Kemal Kilicdaroglu. Kilicdaroglu. Kemal Kilicdaroglu is how you pronounce in Turkish. In English, well, Kemal Kilicdaroglu. Kemal Kilicdaroglu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.